Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add indicators on Blofin. So as you can see, what we have here on the screen is on demo trading, so that you know, but it works the same as in live trading, at least for these indicators. Now here you will see this chart, which is basically the same as on TradingView. So if you are familiar with TradingView, then it's not big deal to find indicators, but I will show you either way. So here on the left side, you will see we have some tools. So we have here some lines, Fibonacci, and so on. Then we have here timeline to choose time, so 1 day, for example, like that. And then here we have some icons. So these first icons is basically the indicators. What you can do now, just click on it. This gray window will pop up, and right here, as you can see now, we can now select indicator and add it to our chart. So I added RSI, and as you can see here at the bottom, this blue line right over here. Now we can add maybe uh, this one, and it's also now right here. So this is how you can add indicators on Blofin. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.